Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a Google Chrome website to go full screen on your PC. So you can make any website to go on full screen on your PC. So it makes some super feature on your Google Chrome PC. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So to see in full screen, you just want to click. So just opening a YouTube. So I just have a search. Just click F11 on your keyboard. So you just click the F11 on your keyboard to get the full screen, or else you just click the three dots and here you can see zoom percentage and here the full screen. So the keyboard shortcut will be F11. If you click F11, it will be on the full screen. If you click F11 again, it will be go to the normal. So the F11 key was used to get the full screen on any website. So just click the F11, you have a full screen, or go to here the setting. Click F11 again, you will be have a normal screen, or else you just go to here and click the X mark to get a normal screen to close the full screen tab. So by using this option, you can get a full screen on the Chrome browser. Just try it.
Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. So if you want more content about Google Chrome, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.